Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the part 4 of NCERT Exemplar Problems with Solution series. In this video, we will discuss questions from 17 to 24. Now let's get started. Question number 17. Which of the following statement true about heart? So the answer of this question is C. That means second statement and fourth statements are true. That is, left ventricle pump oxygenated blood to different body parts while right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood to lungs, which is absolutely correct. Option number 4, right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different part of the body while left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood to different parts of the body, which is also correct. So the answer of question number 17 is option number C. Now question number 18. What prevents backflow of blood inside the heart during contraction? To prevent backflow of blood inside the heart, valves are present. So answer number A is correct. That is, valves in heart. Main function of valve is that to prevent the backflow of blood. Answer of question number 19 is single circulation. Blood flows through heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body is exhibited by. So the answer B is correct. That is hippocampus, exocytus, anabis. Single circulation is present in fishes. So the answer will be B. Now the next question. Before reaching to the next question, you can see this diagram of heart in which you can see that this is right atrium, this is left atrium, this is right ventricle, this is left ventricle. As you can see that deoxygenated blood from different part of body comes to right atrium with the help of vena cava, and from right atrium it goes to right ventricle, and from right ventricle it goes to lungs, and from lungs oxygenated blood reaches to left atrium, and from left atrium it goes to left ventricle, and from left ventricle oxygenated blood goes to the whole body parts. So the circulation is like that: right atrium to right ventricle, and from right ventricle to lungs. This is deoxygenated blood. Now from lungs oxygenated blood reaches to left atrium, then left ventricle, and from left ventricle whole body parts. And between right atrium and right ventricle, between left atrium and left ventricle, valves are present to prevent the backflow of the blood. Now the next question, question number 20. In which of the following vertebrate groups heart does not pump oxygenated blood to different parts of the body? So the answer number D. As single circulation is present in fishes, so the answer number D is Pisces is correct, because in this heart does not pump oxygenated blood to different parts of the body because single circulation is present. Now the question number 21. We have to choose the correct statement about the arteries. So the correct statement about the artery is they have thick elastic walls. Without valves, blood flows under high pressure and it carry blood away from the heart to the different part of the body. So the option number D is correct. Now the question number 22. As you can see, the question is filtration unit of kidney are called. So the filtration unit of kidneys are nephrons. So the answer number D. Now next question, oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from. So the answer number A is correct, that is water. Question number 24, blood leaving the tissue become richer in CO2. So the answer number A is correct. As you can see that in each question I have written the page number. So this page number are from the NCERT text book. I have written these page numbers so that you can get the idea that where from all these questions are come from or designed from. each line is given in your NCERT book. So NCERT book is very important. These questions are framed from the NCERT book. So these page number are written for your convenience, so that you can get idea that all these questions are from your NCERT book. So please pay attention towards it. Till in this video, this is all about. In the next video, we will solve more questions. Till then, thank you so much.